So, today I will show you how to make a bushcraft hot glue gun. So adventurers, and welcome to the club. Okay, first of all, a bit talking, but don't worry, not too much. Being out there in the wilderness, we all know how great it is to have the ability to repair something. And that's why we are carrying stuff like duct tape. But I'm carrying something special, something that nobody else carries out there. I'm always carrying a piece of hot glue stick. Sometimes a longer piece, sometimes a shorter piece, even small pieces that fit into a matchbox. But what can I do with a hot glue stick without a hot glue gun, you ask? Well, that's where the candle comes into play. As you see, this stick is not really transparent, it's slightly opaque. Well, if we hold this over the candle, and you see me rotate it always, never burn the thing, you see it is starting to get increasingly transparent. Make sure not to burn it. You can hold it quite a bit up. And sooner or later you see it is really transparent now compared to the rest of it. And that's when it is hot enough to glue something with it. Just like this. Let's take this here and glue it on here. Just like this. And we are finished. Let this cool down and then I show you how solid it is. But first, let's blow out the candle. And now you're wondering, does it glue right? Is it solid? Well, let's find out. Yeah. It held up so well, it actually ripped the wood. And it is really solid on here. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and well, I can guarantee you, you have learned something new today, because this is my invention. Nobody else has ever done this. Yeah, and I was putting this onto the side of the table to cool off, and it got this little cool looking drip here. I held it here to look good. Yeah. All you need is a bit of a candle or a lighter, Zippo lighter, yeah, Zippo lighter, genau, and a hot glue stick. And like I said, you hold it over the flame till it turns transparent and starts to, yeah, sag down a bit. And you're good to go. You can glue something without any problems. That's why I always carry a hot glue stick or a piece of a hot glue stick in my backpack or in my survival kits. It's also a thing that I always put in it. I have even a little matchbox kit that has a cut off wheel of a hot glue stick in it.